Let us discuss few use cases related to collection. We need to identify the appropriate data structure for every use case. I have a list of employee names. Which data structure is the right choice for faster insertion? When you say employee names, there may be duplicates. So you need to go in for an implementation of list. Faster insertion means obviously it has to be linked list. Next, I am getting a list of mobile objects from the database. Which data structure is the right choice for faster retrieval? We have already learned that for faster retrieval, ArrayList is always a better choice because you can retrieve the elements based on index. Next question. I have a list of employee IDs. Suggest the right data structure to store the IDs in a sorted fashion. When you say employee IDs, there are no duplicates. They are unique elements. So the right data structure that you can use is set. Because it has to be in a sorted fashion, you can use tree set. Next, I want to store the reviews. Sometimes there may be nil reviews from different customers and it has to be faster. Suggest a correct data structure. When you say reviews from customers, they are unique. So you need to go in for an implementation of set. Because it has to be faster, we need to choose hash set. Obviously, it is going to be an unordered collection. Next, I have a list of usernames which are unique. I want to add them in alphabetical order to a data structure. Suggest me the right choice. The username should be unique, so we can go in for an implementation of set. It has to be in alphabetical order, so obviously we need to go in for a sorted implementation, that is tree set. I have a list of mobile objects with name, brand and price. If the name and brand are same, they are similar objects. How to add them to a set? You all know that set does not accept duplicates. To identify whether the mobile object is the same or not, we need to check for name and brand. So for that purpose, you have to override hash code and equals in mobile class and check for the property name and brand. If they are same, it means they are similar objects. Based on that, the duplicates will be avoided while you are adding mobile objects to a set. Next, I want to store the employee name and employee ID together, where the employee ID is unique and should be stored in ascending order. Suggest a data structure. When you say that you want to store two values together, then you can go in for a map, an implementation of map. Here the employee ID is unique, so obviously it has to be the key and it should be stored in ascending order. You have to go in for a sorted implementation, that is tree map. Next, I am having a list of 1000 employees. I want to get the list of employees belonging to a particular city. But I want to start the search from 501 employee. That is, I want to start from the middle. How to achieve this? You can use list iterator. Next, I am having a list of mobile objects stored in an array list. I want to sort them based on the property model. How can I achieve this? You can sort the elements by two ways. That is, using comparable and by using comparator. By using comparable, you should make the mobile class implement comparable, override compare_to method where you will check for the property model. Then call collections.sort method to sort the mobile objects by model. Similarly, using comparator, create a separate class that implements comparator. Override compare method to compare the model property. Call collections.sort method. So this is not arrays.sort, this should be collections.sort method with this object to sort the mobile objects by model.